I'm jumping on here and just wanted to film a little bit. I am at the Corte Madera Mall doing some shopping. It's all Christmas vibes in here. It's so cute. Obviously, I'm wearing a mask because I'm inside, and that is still the rules right now, so that's what we're doing. Waiting for my friend Diana to get her coffee, and then we are going to head to a different store. Right now I'm in Macy's. This is a pretty big Macy's, I would say, and Corte Madera shopping center has a bunch of different stores within the mall. So I will catch you guys later.
The Christmas lights fill the city. There are people everywhere. The snow is falling white and pretty as I stroll on my way to you. How would you feel about packing up today?
Both mountain fruit, grown and made in Napa. So it depends what you want to do. No business and largely local, and so
we're actually going to Napa soon for December.
Are you really?
Yeah.
All right.
Cheers. Okay, this lighting is amazing. Me and my friend are in Nordstrom. I'm at the MAC counter currently. We got to go to Anthropology, and along with getting our candles, we got to do this impromptu wine tasting that was free, and the guy is really nice. And the winery is called, I think, let me find it. Winery is called Priest Ranch. So they gave us complimentary glasses, and we got to try out two different wines. One was a Grenache, and the other was a Sauv Blanc Merlot blend. They were really good. It's crazy because we got to just like walk out of the store with the wine, so that's fun. And it was just a little bit, so it literally was a true tasting. But anyways, right now I'm waiting at the MAC counter in Nordstrom. I need to get an updated powder for my skin. I haven't gotten the powder in probably 6 months, and it lasts really long, which is great. So they're getting that for me, and then a lip liner most likely. And then I'll go find my friend wherever she is, and we will go to other stores. It's been really fun just walking around, and this mall is really nice. I love that it's like an outdoor mall. It's a really nice day as well. And Anthropologie was great. We found multiple candles, so I got 2 candles for $36, which is great because Anthropologie is usually really expensive. They're having a really great sale on candles, and yeah, I'm excited. We also went into Apple, and we've been into Free People. We've been into a few stores now. And after this, I think we're gonna go to Restoration Hardware. There's a rooftop. I'm not sure if the rooftop is open to just anybody. We don't have a reservation, but we really just wanted to go take pictures. So I'll show you guys what that looks like when we get there. And other than that, it's been a really good shopping day. So I'll take you guys along for the rest of the ride.
Let's go get snowed in. How wrong could that be? Being snowed in somewhere, you and me. Let's get snowed in somewhere, you and me. The Christmas lights are shining oh so bright everywhere in this little town on this special night. And here we are in the car on our way back home to be with those we love the most, guided by a single.
Hi everyone, so I'm back from my day of shopping. It was super fun, and we went to In-N-Out, which I did show in the last clip, and now I'm home. I'm gonna just wind down for the rest of the day so that I can be really focused for the rest of the weekend to prep a bunch of things. And I hope everyone enjoyed watching this video. If you are new here, as always, please subscribe so you can see all the fun things I do for the rest of VLOGMAS. And have a great day, everybody. I'll see you next time.
The magic of Christmas too.